Today we will see how to use Bodify's foot massager. First, take the machine out of the box and sit on a chair or sofa comfortably and place your foot properly on the machine. Connect the adapter charger to the electric point and connect the pin of adapter to the left side power jack of the machine. You will see the reverse counting display on the machine. As soon as the reverse counting stops, you will see a red light on the display of the machine. This red light indicates that your machine is on. Now you have to click on the power button given in the last. As soon as you click, you will see options like foot, body, tense and time on the display. It shows the intensity given to the foot. Below the display, operating buttons of the machine are there. The first option is Program. In this, you have been given two types of programs. One is TENS and the other is EMS. TENS is a transcutaneous electronic nerve stimulator that helps to activate your nerves. And the second is EMS. That is electric muscle stimulator. This is a muscle stimulator. This program helps in keeping muscles and tendons active. You can set your desired program from these two therapy programs. The second option is given for time. Using this you can adjust the time as per your convenience by plus or minus. The third option is given for foot intensity. The intensity given to the foot can be increased from 0 to 99. The fourth option is given for body. To use it, you have to connect the electrode patches given along with the machine to the left side of the machine. And then place these patches on your skin where you feel pain and adjust the intensity by pressing plus or minus button of the given body option. In this way, you can use Bodify's foot massager. Thank you for watching this video.